Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss some important question on Mauryan Empire. Let's start. 1. Who was the founder of the Mauryan Empire? A. Chandragupta II. B. Ashoka. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Bindusara. Answer. C. Chandragupta Maurya. 2. Who was the Greek ambassador in the court of Chandragupta Maurya? A. Seleucus Nicator. B. Megasthenes. C. Pliny. D. Herodotus. Answer. B. Megasthenes. 3. The Arthashastra, an important text on administration, was written by A. Kautilya. B. Megasthenes. C. Vishnugupta. D. Manu. Answer. A. Kautilya. 4. Which battle led to the annexation of the Nanda Empire by Chandragupta Maurya? A. Battle of Kalinga. B. Battle of Hydaspes. C. Battle of Magad. D. Battle of Patliputra. Answer. C. Battle of Magad. 5. Which ruler of the Mauryan Empire embraced Buddhism after the Kalinga War? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashoka. C. Bindusara. D. Dashratha. Answer. B. Ashoka. 6. What was the capital of the Mauryan Empire? A. Ujjain. B. Taxila. C. Patliputra. D. Vaishali. Answer. C. Patliputra. 7. Who was the last ruler of the Mauryan Empire? A. Dashratha. B. Samprati. C. Brihadratha. D. Devavarman. Answer. C. Brihadratha. 8. Who was responsible for overthrowing the Mauryan dynasty? A. Pushyamitra Shunga. B. Kanishka. C. Harsha. D. Pulkesin II. Answer. A. Pushyamitra Shunga. 9. The rock edicts of Ashoka were written in which script? A. Devanagari. B. Tamil. C. Brahmi. D. Kharoshthi. Answer. C. Brahmi. 10. Which of the following was a significant economic policy during the Mauryan period? A. State monopoly over trade. B. Free trade policies. C. Barter system. D. Only agricultural economy. Answer. A. State monopoly over trade. 11. Who was known as Amitrakta, slayer of foes? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Dashratha. Answer. C. Bindusara. 12. Which Mauryan ruler sent Buddhist missionaries to foreign lands? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashoka. C. Bindusara. D. Brihadratha. Answer. B. Ashoka. 13. The Dhamma policy of Ashoka was influenced by which religion? A. Jainism. B. Hinduism. C. Buddhism. D. Zoroastrianism. Answer. C. Buddhism. 14. Who among the following was a Jain follower in the Mauryan Empire? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Brihadratha. Answer. B. Chandragupta Maurya. 15. What was the official language of administration in the Mauryan Empire? A. Sanskrit. B. Pali. C. Prakrit. D. Tamil. Answer. C. Prakrit. 16. Which Greek king did Chandragupta Maurya defeat? A. Alexander. B. Darius. C. Seleucus Nicator. D. Antiochus. Answer. C. Seleucus Nicator. 17. What was the role of Amatyas in the Mauryan administration? A. Religious advisors. B. Governors. C. Ministers. D. Army officials. Answer. C. Ministers. 18. Ashoka's major inscriptions were found at which of the following places? A. Girnar, Dhauli, Sarnath. B. Lumbini, Mathura, Ujjain. C. Sanchi, Ajanta, Ellora. D. Nasik, Kachipuram, Hampi. Answer. A. Girnar, Dhauli, Sarnath. 19. What was the role of the Samaharta in the Mauryan Empire? A. Head of the military. B. Revenue collector. C. Chief Justice. D. Chief Engineer. Answer. B. Revenue collector. 20. The Mauryan Empire was divided into how many provinces? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Answer. C. 5. Which of the following was the chief port of the Mauryan Empire? A. Tamralipti. B. Lothal. C. Fuhar. D. Arikamedu. Comment your answer. Like, share and subscribe.